Hello, this is Tolbert's class, Chapter 10. This is the fifth and final lesson for Chapter 10, Physical Science Tolbert class. Evaporation, the change of a substance from a liquid to a gas. Energy must be added in order for things to evaporate. In this picture, you can see the water evaporating off the top of the car. Condensation is the opposite. Condensation is the change of a substance from a gas down to a liquid. You've got to take energy away for things to condense. When you see these droplets of water outside of the shower, when you get out of the shower in the morning, that was water that was coming out on your body. The hot water had turned into a gas and it was condensed on the colder surfaces. Physical property, characteristics of a substance that can be measured or observed without changing the composition of that substance. And you can use your senses in order to observe these things. The shape, the color, the odor, the texture. You can feel it, you can touch it, you can taste it. There are some other physical properties that are also things that can be measured. Some of these are a little bit harder, but we can measure most of them, like melting point, boiling point, the strength, the hardness of the ability for something to conduct electricity, and heat. Examples of physical properties. Melting point. The melting point is a physical property. The temperature at which a solid becomes a liquid, the melting point, a physical property. Boiling point, the temperature at which a liquid becomes a gas. Boiling point of a material is also a physical property. Sublimation. Sublimation is when you change a gas and you skip the liquid state. So it goes right from the gas to a solid, or right from a solid right to a gas. This requires you adding or taking away huge amounts of energy. Example of sublimation. Here's an example, and also dry ice if you've ever played with dry ice. Dry ice sublimates, or goes right from a solid to a gas. Alright, so that is the end of this, the lesson for Chapter 10. Let's see if we can do this one here. So this here diagram is going to show us water changing its state. Let's watch. Notice it starts at the solid and it's moving to a liquid state. The picture on the big box picture is showing what the molecules look like. Notice as they start to lose attraction for each other, the water is going to be moving faster and faster and faster as it moves on. This is a great example also that's showing us how we add energy for things to go from a solid liquid to a gas, and how we take away energy for things to be condensed back all the way back down to a solid again. Thank you for listening.